Everyone, I'm Ty Quinones. Tricia has the night off. Well, also tonight, Governor Sisolak hinting tighter restrictions are coming if people and more people don't stay home for Nevada. The governor also indicating it may be weeks before we hit our peak. Let's get to 13 investigative reporter Joe Bartels. He is live right now at the Grant Sawyer building in downtown Las Vegas. And Joe, certainly there is a lot to cover.
Yeah, Todd, there is a lot to cover. The governor says that we're entering perhaps the most crucial weeks of this fight against the pandemic. He also says that social distancing and staying at home is really going a long way in flattening the curve against COVID-19. It's a tent city in the middle of Las Vegas. The isolation and containment complex in the parking lot at Cashman Field is coming along, but not nearly as fast as first thought. Authorities expected it to be finished by Monday night. Now it could be sometime this week. Once finished, it will be able to test, treat, and contain hundreds of homeless folks impacted by COVID-19.
That's why we continue to aggressively explore testing expansion options with our labs right here in Nevada.
Nevada Governor Steve Sisolak laid out the numbers for testing. As of Monday night, almost 21,000 COVID-19 tests have been performed throughout the state, most by private labs, followed by the Nevada State Public Health Laboratory. But the governor says Nevada is running out of vital test components.
To date, Nevada has received the following from the federal government: 3,000 reagent kits for testing and 4,000 test swabs. While we appreciate whatever testing components we get from the federal government, at this time the reagents, swabs, and are not nearly the volume necessary for us to perform the desired amount of testing that we want and our citizens want.
The governor and his top advisors are asking daily for extra federal help for testing supplies.
They use a formula to say what should be coming into our state, and we are kind of challenging the formula they use, which is similar to the one the president uses, versus using our own personnel who work for the state, who really understand our demographics and our current situation.
And here's the latest numbers of the situation. As of Monday night, more than half of Nevada's hospital beds are filled. 74%, or 3 out of every 4 ICU beds, are occupied. 282 COVID-19 patients are hospitalized.
The statistics are going to bear out as they are, and I'm not going to get into the forecasting business of when we'll hit our peak day or when we'll be finally through a plateau. I'm just focused on every day doing everything we can to keep Nevadans as safe as we can.
The governor says forecasts show Nevada could hit the peak of COVID-19 activity by as soon as this Friday, but he says others put the peak much later, even into June. And tonight we can also report that UNLV has received 250 additional test kits. That puts them at least testing through this coming Thursday afternoon. Now you do need an appointment for that. You can go to our website, ktnv.com, with instructions there. Reporting live, Joe Bartels, 13 Action News.